How to enable or disable WhatsApp Android tablet split screen feature. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable or disable a WhatsApp Android tablet split screen feature. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Log into your account. Now tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Once you head towards the Settings section, you need to move towards the Chat settings. On the settings, you will get the option of side-by-side view. So simply what you need to do is you want to go ahead and turn it off. When you turn that off, you'll be able to disable the split screen. And when you turn it on, the split screen will be enabled. So if you don't get that option here, you can simply head towards the settings on your device. Tap search bar and type in the split view. You need to wait for a while until you get this option and then select split view. Make sure to toggle the button off to disable WhatsApp Android tablet split screen feature. To turn it or enable it, simply turn the button on for a swipe up with three fingers to enter a split view. So that is it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.